How to restart iPhone 15. Let's get started. Need to restart your iPhone 15. Whether it's frozen, acting up, or you just want a quick reboot, here's how to do it easily. A quick restart can solve a lot of minor issues like apps freezing or performance slowing down. There are two ways to restart your iPhone. First up, launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option of General. Now head over to the option Shutdown. You'll get the slider icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then again turn it back by clicking the power button. Next up, what you can do is use the volume keys. Next, you can use volume buttons or side button to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up or volume down button along with the side button. With that, power off slider will appear on the screen. Slide that icon to the right. With that, your phone will be turned off. Wait a few seconds for it to completely shut down. Once it's off, press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo and your iPhone 15 will restart. So these are the ways to restart your iPhone 15. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.